Mold yourself. Hi guys, please press the subscribe button and bell icon on the YouTube app. And never miss another update from Mold Yourself.
Asian cucumber salad. Ingredients: 3 cups cucumber sliced, 1/4 cup of red onion sliced, 1/2 cup red bell pepper chopped, 2 tablespoons soy sauce, 1 tablespoon rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil, 1 teaspoon honey, 2 tablespoons chopped or sliced green onion, 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, salt and pepper to taste. Place all ingredients in a large bowl. In a small bowl, mix together the soy sauce, rice vinegar, sesame oil, honey, cilantro and sesame seeds. Taste and add salt and pepper if desired. Creamy corn salad. Ingredients: 1 kernel corn, drained, 1 medium tomato, 2 small green onions, 1/3 cup mayonnaise, 1/2 teaspoon dried basil. Mix all ingredients in a bowl. Cover, refrigerate and enjoy. All green salad. Ingredients: 6 cups chopped greens, 1 green apple, 1 cup cucumber, 1/8 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 cup green onion, 1 avocado, 1 cup broccoli florets, 1 cup green grapes, 1/2 cup pistachio, 1/3 cup olive oil, 1/4 teaspoon salt. Place all ingredients into a jar.
If you want the full recipe, see the description below.